music is addressed to my people, especially to make them more curious about where they came from and their own identity and pride in that identity.
Hey cousins, it's your girl Rogue. I'm back again with another seed haul. So first things first, let me address something. From now on, I will probably be wearing a bonnet in all of my videos because I was told that I need to shower, I need to clean myself up to make myself more acceptable for the viewers to get more views. And I feel like you come here to learn something new. It's not really a beauty channel. Even if it was, no one should feel comfortable enough to tell a woman or anyone that they need to bathe and shower and do their hair and look more acceptable for the viewers. People who do come here, you all know exactly what you're going to get when you come here. There are male counterparts to my page, and they wouldn't say that to them, so I feel comfortable saying it to me. So you will see my bonnet, and I am comfortable in my bonnet, and my bonnet is cute and pink. And you will see more colorful bonnets, and you will see more bonnets from me, and you will see more ethnic hairstyles from me, because this is who I am. Okay, so like I said, I did another haul today, or I got a haul in, and this one is from Rare and Exotic Seeds. Or not rare and exotic, Rare Exotic Seeds. Sorry if you see little things flying around. I am having a horrible gnat problem in my aloe veras right now. So excuse that. It is not a sponsored video. I purchased these myself. I spent $42, including tax, on these seeds. And let me double check. I believe I got 15 seeds. 15 different types of seeds that are all in here. I have not opened this, so I'm not sure if this is going to come in multiple packages because it's actually pretty light, or if everything is here. But I do have a list of everything that I purchased, and you will eventually be seeing videos on all of these seeds. So there are about 30 more videos from seed germination that you are going to be getting before we get deep into spring summer. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, so all of the seeds are in little baggies like so. Okay, so, and they do not have the common name of the seeds on here. All of them have their scientific name on each seed, if you can see it. Sorry, my light is a little bright. If you can see it, it's the scientific name on all of them. So give me a minute. I'm actually going to put them in alphabetical order, and I'm going to be right back for you. Okay, sorry. I know I said alphabetical order. I actually meant the order in which I purchased them. So the order that they are on my handy dandy list that I'm looking at on my phone. So this one I actually got, it is Henna Seeds. I am not going to be saying the scientific name unless I absolutely have to, because I am not going to mess this up. Okay, so I'm going to post some benefits on the sides here of each of the seeds, but those are my Henna seeds. These are Marshmallow Seeds, and I want to say thank you to one of my subscribers. I believe it was a he, and I'm going to post his comment here also, who told me different places that I can go to get Henna or Marshmallow Seeds. So I'm very excited that I have my marshmallow, I have my seeds. This is valerian seeds. I use a lot of, oh sorry, not sure if I did my marshmallow. I I want to grow valerian root this year. So I actually have 2 different types of valerian seeds. Let's see. I have Burdock Seeds. Okay, I've had problems with burdock in the past. They grow or they germinate, but they don't really go to harvest stage with me. And I was actually in my refrigerator today putting in some other seeds that need to winter right now. But I found my little container of burdock seeds that are from last year. And some of them actually sprouted in the water. So those are definitely going in the soil, or sorry, going in some soil. So we're going to see if we can actually get those to go to the harvest stage, which burdock grows very tall. I will probably have to give those away to a nursery. And I probably won't get to keep those here because they grow very tall to get the roots, or put it in the ground somewhere. So, okay. Sorry. So that was my burdock. This is absinthe, or what they make the actual absinthe from. It's Wormwood Seeds. So if you remember, a lot of the seeds that I get, they're really they're used for my herbs. I have a very large herb collection, and I want to grow it and actually, or grow my collection and actually start growing the herbs that are in my collection. So that is the goal for this year and next year. Because some seeds or some plants actually take 2 or more years to actually flower or even produce seeds or produce a good harvest. This is ashwagandha. This is an Ayurvedic herb. So I'm so happy that I found these because they're really hard to find. But I found those, and we're going to see how they work, or how they work in the soil. This is okay, I'm not going to lie to you. Not quite sure what this is. There's no common name on here. There's only the scientific name on here, and they actually gave quite a few seeds. It says 500, but I would imagine this is more than 500 seeds in here. But one of the downsides, maybe this is why they put more seeds than usual, one of the downsides to putting it in these little Ziplocs and just shipping like that, the Ziplocs can open, especially with travel. Oh, that's another thing. Rare Exotic Seed Company is actually from Canada. So that was one of the main issues that I have with the company. So far my seeds look good. I got everything that I actually ordered, but their communication is not where you would want to see a company to be that is this size. Online it says that they will contact you when your order is shipped, and I would expect, especially with the seed company or a shipment from another country, that you would put tracking on there, just so your customer would know where their package is, because it could get caught up in customs, or things happen, especially with COVID going on now. But I did not receive anything. So I did contact Christoph, which is the owner, and he sent me a message, I want to say 2 or 3 days later, saying that he did ship it out a few days before, and that it will be coming in, and it may be late due to customs, and that it did not have tracking information. But the Canadian Post has tracking, and the US Post has tracking. So I just felt like there should have been tracking attached. I would have even paid extra knowing that it came from another country so that I could have tracking. But they do have orders over $50. It is free shipping, and all other orders, the shipping is $4.90 or 99 cents. And of course that is American US dollar prices. Let me make sure. Yes, shipping is $4.90. But that was just the issue. I did send a letter back that was letting Christoph know that it was unacceptable that I did not have shipping. Like, the communication and the lack of a tracking information, I felt was just unacceptable. But to continue, so I have some gentian seeds here, and remember, I'm putting all of the information here on the seeds, so you can pause it and see the benefits of each seed or each plant. This is another one. I'm going to have to look it up, and I will post what these seeds actually are, what their common name is. I kind of went on a little spree when I was buying them. I was just so excited to see like so many seeds that I cannot find here in the US, or that are very hard to find in the US. I found them, so I was like excited and just buying everything. This is my Patchouli seeds, and you can see they're way down here. They're very, very tiny, and I got 100 of them. I'm also going to post the prices of the seeds. Now, this is something that I was very happy with. The prices are exceptional. The prices are exceptional. I believe the most expensive thing that I purchased was the Henna seeds, and that was $5.80, and I received 2,000 seeds with that one, so it was worth it. Okay, so it was very worth every cent, and even the wait time. It was worth it for these prices. I'm so happy that I actually got a package in, because for a minute I thought that I wasn't. So the price range is from $1.80 on my seeds, from $1.80 to $5.80. So let's continue. This one I am so happy to get. If you are spiritual like I am, you will be very familiar with how important these seeds are and how important this tree is, and why I was so happy to find this, and why I'm literally going to plant them 1 or 2 at a time. Just like I'm going to covet these seeds. These are baobab tree seeds. I'm so excited to have these. It just means so much to me and my spirituality for multiple reasons. So I can't wait to put that one into some soil. Okay, so this is Soursop Seeds. These are Soursop Seeds. And these are going to be used when I'm making hair products, especially when I'm doing shampoos. So excited about those. These, I use the actual herbs for my Jezebel oil. These are, I can't say it properly without Elang. Look, I've had problems with this for a while. So Elang. We're just, y'all know what I mean. I'm going to post it here. With COVID going on, I figured I would try these and see how it worked. These are Elderberry Seeds. These are very good for your immune system. And last but definitely not least, these are Camphor Seeds. So what you use in like your Vicks Vapor Rub, that's what that is. So I cannot wait to start germinating these and get going. Overall, I would give the entire experience with with Rare Exotic Seeds. I'll give it 7.5 out of 10. We will see if that will increase or decrease once I start putting them in the ground. I did read some reviews that have me a little iffy on it, but I'm so happy that my seeds came in. Total that I spent was $42 even. So my seeds were $37.10. Shipping and handling was $4.90. So a grand total of $42 even for 15 different types of seeds. I'm not mad at that. And today is the 24th of January, and I ordered these on the 31st of December. So to say it was coming from Canada, it wasn't that long. I just wish the communication was better and that I had shipping, so I knew exactly when it was coming, because of course I wanted to have a video for y'all, and so I had to fit it into the schedule. But that's it. So leave me some comments below or on our social media. Let me know what you're growing this season. Let me know if there's anything that you want me to review or grow for you. Let me know what your experience was with Rare Exotic Seeds. Just hit me up. You know, I'm always going to respond to positive comments. And that's it. Bye. Love you, cousins. If you enjoyed this video from Main Cuisine, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Also, hit us up on all of our social media. Comment, let us know what you want to see from us, because this channel is for you. Bye, cousins.